tail as you turn plus backup module. Alright, Nissan GT-R. This is how they come with the descriptions, which I'll show you guys in the demonstration, how it's done. And it's pretty simple, not hard, but you are gonna have to grab at least a flathead or a tool, molding prior mover. Alright, I'll show you guys all that. This is how it looks. These come plugged in. These are called T-taps. So basically, if you want to tap into something, you want to tap into the green, you'll basically put the wire between that little thing right there. You put the wire in there. It's hard to do this with one hand. And then you just crimp it. But you want to grab a pair of pliers to make sure it goes in there. And then this part right here will just go right into that bump. It's pretty simple. A lot of people use those to install alarms. That's the easiest way to do it. Other than that, we're going to install these right now, and I'll show you guys how to do it. Really simple. First thing we want to do is unplug everything. Unplug this, take the plug out. Alright, one's for the left, one's for the right. It doesn't matter, it could be either or. I gotta charge my phone up a little bit so I could record the video. Alright guys, I'm out. Tap onto here. So basically you put the wire, so I get a better pic right there. Zoom in. So you basically feed the wire, come on, fuck right there, into a little U port. And then I just did it with my fingers. And then this thing right here you'll hear a little click. And then plus you still want to go get some pliers in the garage to make sure it's secure. You just want to give it a nice little tug. Squeeze, not tug. That's the second one. And then basically you plug in the black wire. Sorry, focus it. Plug in the black wire into the T-tap. And you're ready to roll. You just got to go plug these bad boys in, and we'll see how it is. So far I skipped the steps already. I went ahead of time and did it. So now I'm gonna go in there and plug them in, see how we do. There's also a YouTube watch to install video, installation video, which we don't need because we're making our own. Hooray! I'm out. Start it up. Not start it up, but recently power it on real quick so everything go. I got the left clicker. Just gonna check it out. This is how it looks. Only this is blinking. Alright guys, and that's blinking. Power this off real quick. Alright, so I'm gonna pop the trunk. Okay, everything is going wonderful. Ooh, pop the back way open. I'm gonna pop this, and that's it. And this thing just voila. We'll go do that. And, you guys are gonna probably want to go AutoZone and pick one of these up. Alright, it's easy. Goes in handy. Gets the job done, guys. Let's get it. If you guys have one of these, this will save you so much time. So I basically popped them all off, and there was a clip on the top right there. That one, right, that little hole. Same as this one, there's a little hole right there. Pop that off. Then this would be your here, so you gotta pop it off the little black thing. Alright guys. And what I'm gonna do, guys, is let's see this. Let's see like a mount it right here. Alright guys, now we see this thing right here. We're gonna put this in here. Holy shenanigans. We're gonna tighten down the clamp real quick, guys. Alright. And now we gotta plug this one in, guys. Okay. Boom, voila, it's done. Just let it hang. Let your chain hang low, let your balls hit your toe. Alright. You guys didn't hear nothing? We're putting that bitch back in right now. Oh, my whole hand hurts because I cut down my damn tree. Alright, this takes a little while. But anywho, we'll do that last. Just plug this one down. So basically the same voila. So we got this. I'll plug this bad boy in. Voila, magic. We almost forgot something. We gotta make sure we crimple these down. Voila. Then we gotta plug this bad boy in. Voila. Alright guys, we're doing good. You guys are doing really good. I'm so proud of you guys right now. You never know how proud you guys make me. So now we're gonna skip the whole thing, put everything back together. We're gonna open this bad boy up. We're gonna turn this bad boy on. No. We're putting the hazards on. Check it out. Okay, that looks great, guys. Good stuff. Let's get it. So as you guys see, it was like at least a 10-minute modification to do. That's not hard, not at all. If you guys enjoyed it, like, subscribe, and comment down below, and more will be able to come. I'm out, guys, and yes, I made this custom because I can't find an airbag right now, and I had some custom-made bolts coming in. These are just temporary, and I wrapped them carbon fiber, as you guys can see. All right, the whole car is wrapped, interior's wrapped in carbon fiber. All right, guys, I'm out. Take care. Hope you guys enjoyed, and hope this video works. I'm out.